this is Olie, and here's how to read Olie, yeah!
Today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple video with the OpenShot video editor, which is free for download international. Okay, as you can see, it's very simple, and for your simple videos, for example for YouTube or some simple mix, is absolutely enough. So let's start. I'm gonna make a video for my second channel, so at least you can see how I do it. Alright, so first of all, we prepare the audio. So YouTube, I'm making audiobooks with music and videos. So first of all, the book itself, okay, like this, it's ready. There is possible to cut, for example, if you want to cut something, you can make it like two parts. It's very easy, just with these scissors. This computer is a little slow, okay, so just want to show you, so please be patient. Okay, like this, you just cut it, and after it's need to do like this. Alright, here you can make it smaller or bigger for you, how you need it, for example. Okay, just to make sure you got it well. After the music, this is how I make it. You can make it in your style, of course. Right, the music, because it's audiobook, it's just not that high volume, so the music I always do, for example, maximum 20%, but it depends what kind of music and you use. Okay, so it's from here the volume, entire clip, and I make it like 20% for this exact track. Right, now time for the picture. Okay, and what I'm using is this is my picture from London actually, so I hope you will like it when you see it. And okay, you are listening to The Signs of Being Rain by Wallace the Worthless. And now the time for video. So I choose all of them, and I choose how I want them, each are, so first of all, I want this video. All these videos are not my job, okay, this is from public domain, so you can use it as well. This video, for example, is with noise, so I don't want noise there. Okay, I want people to hear the music and of course hear the audiobook, which is the 100% of the job. So this level 0. All right, after I want this waterfall, there is no sound, like this. After this, let's say industrial or whatever, and this. Okay, now I want to do it everywhere like this. Sometimes I want to use this picture just to remind people what they are listening. They see it in the subscription of the video, but maybe they have full screen. Okay, so I just copy that, Ctrl+C, and paste like this, and just making sure, you know, it's not over it. And after I just move it like this. Second time, I'm gonna move this like this. Okay, this I will erase because I don't need it, and here I want to do this. Okay, now I save the project, and when you make it, it's better to save it always. Okay, in here for this project, because there is more chapter, this is chapter number 4, so I'm making chapter 4.
Thanks for watching! Pop.